Hello, hello. It's me again, Gregory Scott. Today we have another video. Today, we're talking, as always, we're talking about things that I find disgusting. Ugh, gross, just disgusting. Today, we're going to talk about 4 things that I find disgusting. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1. So, in your home, you have a bathroom. A bathroom where you use the bathroom. But if you're not at home, you have to use a different bathroom. You have to use a public bathroom. Sometimes public bathrooms, they can be disgusting. Ugh. Public bathrooms like at McDonald's or the gas station, they can be absolutely disgusting. Ugh. You walk in and it's dirty. The toilet is dirty. Sometimes people don't flush the toilet. Ugh. And it's so gross. Absolutely disgusting. So me, if I can, I use the bathroom at my home. At my home. Okay? That's number 1. Number 2. So, sometimes in the public bathroom, you see other people. You see other people. Sometimes other people, when they use the bathroom, they don't wash their hands. They don't wash their hands. Ew. Gross. Disgusting. If you use the bathroom, after you have to wash your hands. Wash your hands. That's clean. If you don't wash your hands, that's dirty. That's dirty. That's gross. That's disgusting. Ugh. When you use the bathroom, always wash your hands. It's good hygiene. Good hygiene. Okay. Number 3. Ugh, I hate this. I find it so disgusting. Number 3. Sometimes people, they can have a cough. A cough. Or they can sneeze. Achoo. Sneeze. If you cough or if you sneeze, achoo, you have to cover your mouth. If you have to cough or sneeze, achoo, then cover your mouth. If you don't, that's gross. There's germs everywhere. Germs everywhere. If you don't cover your mouth, germs everywhere. That's disgusting. So gross. People, you, me, we have to be clean. We have to have good hygiene. Okay? Number 3. Okay, you're doing good. Last one, number 4. Once out of the week, the trash man comes. The trash man, you can say, or the garbage man, you can say. They come to your house and they take your trash. They take your trash away. Me, I have to take out the trash. Take out the trash. Sometimes I smell the trash. I smell the trash and it smells disgusting. Ugh. It smells disgusting. There's rotten food. There's old food. It's all mixed. It's all mixed together and it smells horrible. It smells disgusting. Once a week, I take out the trash and sometimes I smell the trash and it smells disgusting. But that's all. That's all for this video. We talked about 4 things that make me feel disgusted, or 4 things that are disgusting. Disgusting. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, have a good day. Goodbye.
Congratulations! You did it. You did it. You finished the series on human emotions. This video, this was the last video. We're done. We're done with this series, but there's going to be so many more videos, so many more series, and they're all going to help you learn English. You worked so hard listening. You worked so hard watching. And surely your English will improve. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. We'll keep watching, keep listening, and your English will improve. I'll be uploading more videos. Beginner videos, intermediate videos, and even advanced videos. Also, I'll bring other teachers. I'll bring other teachers to this channel. I hope you're ready. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching, for commenting, for supporting. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.